this mark. Not only this, Baba Saheb had the qualities of Prem Daya and the compassion and vision of Bhagavan Buddha. It is very difficult for me to describe the character of Baba Saheb, who was enjoyed with these innumerable qualities. Ambedkar's character was very complex. On this basis, it is important from what perspective we look at his life and ideology. Today, Ambedkar is a symbol of personality of different people. Hindu nationalists call him anti-national and Hindu fundamentalists call him the protector of Hindu society. Neo-Buddhists believe that he is the incarnation of Buddha. For millions of Dalits across the country, he is a symbol of their struggles and their hopes. As a member of the Dalit community, Ambedkar gave voice to their sentiments and struggled throughout his life to ensure their equality, social justice, self-respect and freedom. Thus, Ambedkar worked with great enthusiasm for the social liberation, economic liberation and political process of Dalits, and no upper caste leader did such work. Ambedkar was born on 40 April 1891 in Mau, a military town near Indore in central India. He is known as Baba Saheb by millions of Dalits in India. He was the 14th child of Ramji Sakpal and Bhima Bai. Ramji father Maloji Sakpal, after retirement from the army, worked as the headmaster of a military school for 40 years and received a pension of Rs 50 per month, on the basis of which he settled in Ratnagiri district, Dapoli. In the year 1894, he was reappointed as a storekeeper in the Public Works Department, Ratnagiri, and later transferred to Satara. Ambedkar was fortunate to have good-natured parents. His father was hardworking and devoted by nature. He was quite influential, generous, and talkative. He used to perform puja in the morning and evening, in which his children used to participate. He used to recite Ramayana and Mahabharata and sing devotional songs of Marathi sant poets like Moropant, Mukteswar and Tukaram. Thus, the regular singing of epics and songs had an impact on him from the very beginning. Ramji and other extraordinary qualities too. He never used to consume intoxicants and non-vegetarian food. He used to play cricket and football in his youth, which kept him in good health. He was a contemporary of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, the founder of Satya Sodhak Samaj, and was a leading figure in the struggle against the anti-caste movement. behind the scenes to achieve Ambedkar's goal. She died due to ill health, and later Ambedkar married to second wife who belonged to a Brahmin family, and her name was Savitabai. Ambedkar's marriage with Rama took place in an open shed in Baikul Bazaar of Bombay. When the Dej Bazaar was over, the bride and her relatives occupied a large portion of the open shed at night, and the groom and his relatives occupied another portion. Dirty gutter water flowed under their feet. The small stones of the bazaar served as benches, and the entire bazaar served as a hall of the wedding. However, the people who had come in the wedding procession enjoyed